Hello, good day. Welcome to GIS. My name is Ibrahim Kende. Today I'll be showing you how to use your ArcGIS Survey123 on GNSS P6H tablet to pick your GIS points. I'll be showing two methods: how to use the P6 tablet directly, since the P6 tablet has GNSS and antenna integrated in it, and also how to use the PC tablet as ordinary data logger, whereby we connect to an external receiver. The first thing to do is to come to your settings, come to settings and come to about phone, and come to build number. Click on build number 3 times to start your developer mode. You can see saying that you're already a developer. Once you are done with that, you go to your system and go to advanced option. Under advanced option, you go to developer option here, and then you scroll down to select mock location. Here, select mock location app. The mock location app will be our survey master app, GNSS survey master app, which is already there. Once you are done with that, you go out and you start your survey master. You wait for the survey master to load, but make sure you have an internet provider, which can either be you connect to Wi-Fi, or you insert SIM card inside the SIM port of the P6H tablet. Once your survey master is on, you come to device. The first method is to use your P6 tablet normally directly. To do that, you can either click on this P6H, click connect, you can see here, or you click on connection. Once you click on connection, you set it to Android device, which is already there, and you click connect. Once you are connected, like come to rover. When you come to rover, you are connected to cost station. We have already input our cost parameter and everything here. All you need to do is just start and click OK. We wait for it to fix. Now we are fixed. Then you go to your project and come to settings. On your mock location, under settings, you can see the mock location down here. It's already on. Once you are done with that, you minimize, and then you come to your ArcGIS Survey123 app. You start it and you wait for the ArcGIS Survey123 app to load. You log in. It's going to log into my own profile. It's currently signing me in now. So you can see my name, Kendi Brown. So it has signed me in now on this ArcGIS Survey123 app. You can see my profile here, and then this is the survey that I've created. So this survey, you have to create your ArcGIS survey form on ArcGIS survey website online. You can use your web designer or use Survey123 Connect. You come here. First thing you do when you come here is to first come to download survey. You download the survey that you have created online. You can see that this survey here has already been downloaded before. So you have already been downloaded. It show you download here. To download it from the cloud, just click it and then it will download. Once you finish downloading it here, it will show on first page, on this home page here. After you have downloaded it, come back to the profile here. You go to settings and then you come to location to select the location provider. Since we are survey masters, we are going to be using integrated provider as our location provider. Just select on it and you click. Once you have connected to it, you come back and open your survey. This is the survey I've created. You open the survey. Once you open the survey, to collect your point, to pick your point, to click on collect. So once you click on collect, so it will load. Wait for it to load. So this is the form that I've created. You can see here, this is the name. You put your name depending on how you create your survey, how you want your own survey to be. So I've created them. You put the name, the date. So you click on the date. Today is 15. So the time, this is 9:05. So you input your email address. Then to pick your points, you click on this place, on that location you see, and then you can click on it here. So it will bring you here. So this is the points where we are currently. You can zoom in to see it. This is our location currently now, and you can see the coordinates down here on this red panel showing in geographic coordinate system WGS84. You can see the accuracy plus or minus 0.1, reducing 0.00, 0.01 now. Then you can also come to where this satellite is. Click here. Once you click here, you can change it. See here, 6.44. You can compare this now to the one that your survey master is giving you. You can see 6.4411. Just come. You can see the coordinate here on the survey master 6.4411, which is the same thing as the one that the ArcGIS Survey123 is giving you. Say 6.4411, nothing than anything. You can also change this one to UTM. You can see UTM here. That's that. Once you are done with that, you come there on this right panel, see the white tick button, because just click yes and you can pick your point. You can see here, see the coordinates, see the accuracy plus or minus 0.01. So once you are done, you just click this black on the black panel, you click it and then it will save. But if I click it now, it will not save. Why? Because I need to fill this place. So you just fill it, fill your name, fill your email, you fill your email, so you put the address. So once you are done putting your address, then you can take a picture of the points. So you can click on it, take the picture of the points. Here you are, you can click it, capture the image. Then once you are done with that, you can also put phone number and some other things like that. Then you click OK. So if you tell you to send it now or save in inbox, then you click send now. So which, if you are clicking send now, you send it online so that the form, your data that you pick will be available online. Then you can edit it on ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online. You can do that. You can also edit it on your ArcGIS Survey online. It's uploading it now. That's how to pick your point. If you want to pick another point again, you click it, go to another location, you click collect, pick that one, another location, you click collect. That is how to pick it. I'll be talking about the second method. You go to your survey master, you disconnect. Right now I'll be showing you how to connect to external receiver.
Device disconnected.
So to connect to external receiver, you change from Android device, change to RTK mode, and then you click here target device. So this is the serial number of the receiver I want to connect to. This one N3 1L0642. You click on it and then you connect to the receiver.
Device connected. Rover. PDA cores.
So then you come to core, just like the other one too. So you are connected. That is there already, our parameters and everything. Just click start. Okay. And you can see it's fixed. So make sure you have internet provider, which can either be Wi-Fi or SIM card that you start in the P6H tablet. So once you are done on your mock location, once you're on your mock location, make sure you have on your mock location too on the P6 tablet normally. Then you can come to your ArcGIS Survey 2, you start it, you can collect points just like the way we did before. You come here, you can see again, this is your method connecting to external receiver. You can see the same point we are. See the accuracy also plus or minus 2. So you can also come here, change this, and see 6.441095. So you can come to your 6.441095, which that one has approximated this to 95, as you can see. So that is how to connect. So once you are done, just click on this, and once make sure you fill all the necessary details on the form, and then you click OK, and then you are good to go. You have picked your point, so you can. That's how to do it. So thank you very much.